Dark Ages Zoned. Episode 2. The Apple of Discord. The world runs on technology, a web of invisible connections woven into the fabric of daily life. But what happens when that web unravels? When progress turns to peril? You are about to enter the Dark Ages Zoned. The fire in their hands. A busy cafe in San Francisco. A young woman sips her latte, scrolling through her iPhone 15 Pro Max. She smiles at a message, then, boom. The device erupts in a fireball, searing her hand, charring her face. She screams, falling backward, smoke rising from her palm. She is not alone. Across the world, Apple devices are turning into weapons. A CEO presenting on his MacBook collapses as the keyboard explodes, embedding glass into his face. AirPods send jolts through listeners' skulls before bursting, leaving ears scorched. Apple Watches spark, leaving wrists blackened. Doctors are soon overwhelmed with burn victims, their skin blistered, their nerves fried. Some people, exposed to electrical surges from iPads and MacBooks, are left twitching and staring blankly into space, their nervous systems still hijacked by rogue electrical currents. The technology they trusted has turned against them. A digital lockdown. Authorities act swiftly. All public internet ports, charging stations, and digital service hubs are shut down. Coffee shops, malls, airports, anywhere Apple devices could connect, are locked down and cordoned off. Panic spreads as people are forced to abandon their devices, leaving once bustling city centers eerily silent. Then, the final blow, a nationwide ban on all Apple products. Police flood the streets, raiding homes and businesses, confiscating iPhones, MacBooks, and iPads. People caught hiding or purchasing Apple devices face steep fines, or worse. Tech stores are looted, fueled by desperation and fury. The world's most powerful technology empire is crumbling in real time. The Great Escape. As lawsuits mount and international authorities issue arrest warrants, two names dominate the headlines: Apple CEO Tim Cook and tech mogul Bill Gates. Their location: Jeddah Tower, Saudi Arabia. Hidden inside the world's tallest skyscraper, the two men are last seen in a luxury suite at the Four Seasons Hotel, frantically making calls, arranging what some suspect is their next move. Perhaps an escape beyond the reach of justice. But justice, like time, has a way of catching up. The final warning. As the world reels from the destruction left in the wake of technological betrayal. For centuries, humankind has chased innovation, seeking to shape the future. But the future is not always a willing partner. Sometimes, the past reaches forward, reclaiming what was never meant to be. Beware, for when progress collapses into chaos, you may find yourself trapped in the Dark Ages Zoned.